Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up part of a clip in Shotcut. So we have this clip, but I want to speed up a section of this clip, say from the beginning to here. Maybe 5 times faster, 3 times faster, or 2 times faster. So to do that, identify the portion you want to speed up and then cut that section. Now select the section that you want to speed up. For instance, we only want to speed up this section. Now for you to be able to do that in Shotcut, what you need to do is to right click on the part of the clip that you have selected on your timeline and then go to properties. Now from properties, you can now see speed. From here now, you can increase the speed maybe to 2 times, or maybe you want to speed it at 5 times, or say you want to speed it 4 times. Once you are done, just click on apply. And as you can see, the over 10 seconds clip has been shrinked into less than 5 seconds. And if you play it, you can see the motion is much faster than previously was. Now for you to delete this space and link with the rest of the clip, what you simply need to do is to right click on the empty space and click remove. And from that, you'll have linked the two. Now if we play the whole clip, that is it. So that's how you speed up a clip or a section of a clip in Shotcut. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.